HINANCE news. Microsoft announces that they're laying off 10,000 employees. Where are y'all at? Where are all the people in my comments that was claiming that we ain't in no recession? Listen, this is the most awkwardest, manipulated recession lane that we going down right now. And I just want to know the people that was in my comments a month or so ago or two ago. What do y'all have to say about all these tech companies laying people off? Please, I'm here. I'll wait. I'll wait. If I had tea right now, I'd pick up my teapot and I'd be sitting my tea, drinking, waiting for you to say something in these comments about what's going on right now. This is not good. This is adding to the trend. We got high inflation, a lot of technology companies laying people off, and Microsoft, currently trading at $240 per share. Let's see, down 9%. Damn, they're not even up on the past month. There's been a rally the past month, which, from January they've did a slight rally. So they're up, they're up within the last few weeks. But listen, how do we explain 10,000 people being laid off? They can't explain it. Right, so they're letting go of 10,000 employees as a software maker braces for slower revenue growth. So, that's what you have in a recession, slower growth, right? Where if we're not expanding and we're not flat out, we're going down in my eyes. I don't know. So yes, they let go 10,000 employees. They will be letting go. Sorry. So they're doing it like the others. Like, yeah, you guys can have your job right now, but we're just letting everybody know that within the next few months, we're going to be clipping people off. So enjoy your cubicle at the moment right now, but just know that it's coming. So by March 31st, they will be letting a lot of people go. This is sad, man. They're also writing down $1.2 billion for the fiscal second quarter that will result in a negative impact of 12 cents to earnings per share. They're writing down, so there must be some type of debt that they're kind of writing off. I'm not really sure if that was an investment or what might have it be, but it's happening. It's happening. I'm sad for the people that are losing their jobs. I guess that they're saying that they overhired, which we kind of knew this was going to happen. They were overhiring in a certain window of their business, for that whole stay-at-home life, not realizing that, eventually that was going to get cut off. So, I feel like a lot of these companies, I feel like this might be like a conspiracy theory, but I feel like these big companies get money from the government in like the bad times like that to hire people, so people don't feel like things are going that bad, or people feel like optimistic because they were able to get a job in such a bad downturn. And then now when it's like the government's like, yeah, we ain't gonna keep funding that because we need to get a hold of inflation, and y'all keep hiring people. The price of hourly wages is going up because more people are getting hired, new people are getting hired, new people are negotiating what they're worth. So now the government's like, we don't want to pay for that no more. Or I don't know what the details of it is. Obviously, I'm just kind of throwing out theories, but it's funny. It's funny. It's even more funny when you get a company like Microsoft, right? Microsoft buys. They bought a whole nother company just last year for damn near $60 billion, $68 billion. So they bought Activision Blizzard, which, to get into the gaming industry, I'm not sure if this was to save themselves or they knew that there was some bad times coming. So yeah, this one's 1 year after Activision Blizzard acquisition, Microsoft laying off 10,000 employees. So I don't know if that's specifically some Activision Blizzard employees or just strictly Microsoft employees. But yes, they purchased Activision Blizzard for like $68 billion. So how can you afford a $68 billion purchase of an acquired company, but then you got to lay off 10,000 people uh, less than a year later, or just about a year, 12 months later. Welcome to America, people. This is just where we at, man. This is capitalism at its finest. Get rid of the shucks. They're not doing much for us, even though that we knew all along that they probably wasn't going to do much for us, but we still kept them on board. It's like stringing a girl along that you don't really want to be with, and then a year later just letting her go. It's disgusting. But Microsoft is still a strong company. They're definitely going to be here in the next 10, 20 years, especially if they purchase Activation Blizzard. This is a good price to buy Microsoft at? I mean, let's look at this chart. I mean, it's going to be interesting to see what Activation Blizzard does. Well, Activation Blizzard doesn't have a stock no more because they're private. So, I don't know. Like, the whole tech industry as a whole is really just getting beat down. And I feel like this is where the opportunities are going to be to buy moving forward. We might have some stagnance. We might, range for some years. I mean, there's a lot of different theories out there right now. Michael Burry is saying some other things are going to be happening. And it's going to be interesting to see how it all plays out. But y'all let me know what y'all feel about these tech companies laying people off, about Microsoft dumping 10,000 employees within the next few months. Let me know in the comment section below how you feel about it. Shout out to all my future millionaires watching this right now. If you're interested in joining the Future Millionaires Discord chat, shoot me a DM above on my Twitter and Instagram. I will get you the details to join. Signing out.